Today we are going to learn MS Word. See how to start the MS Word. Click on Start. Select MS Word. The Word window will open. Now we will see one by one. Upside this is a title bar. If you save this document, whatever name you give to this document, that will display upside in the title bar. This is an home button. If you click on the home button, the sub menu will display such as new. New is used to create a new document. Open is used to open the existing document. Save is used to save that document. Save as is used to save the document with one different name, means you will get one more copy. And print is used to print the document. And close obviously used to close that document or exit from the window. Now see, as a teacher we use MS Word for typing the agenda or to type a notice, or teachers can set the paper in MS Word. Even teacher can make invitation of any program by using this MS Word. So we will see one by one. First of all, we will start with the agenda and notice. Okay, now we will see how to type the agenda and notice. The format we will see, rough format. Suppose if you want to type an notice, so again go to the insert or a page layout. Here is an page border. Click on page border. Set page border to your document. Okay, then give the headline. If it is a notice, give headline notice. To make this text bold, select the text. Go to home. Here you can increase the font size. This is a font. You can change the font type also. B is used to make the font bold. I is used to make the font italic. Underline is used to make to underline a text. Then this one is the font color. If you want the colorful full text, then you can select the color from here. And if you want the background color for any text, then you can set the background with text highlight color. Now see, I type the notice. Now I want this text to the center, so select it. Here is an alignment. Click to the center. Okay, after notice, date will be there, so type date. Now I want this date text to left side, so select left align. Just decrease the size of this text how much you want, and from here just start typing the notice. Same thing we can do with the agenda. Okay, then date, name of program, you can type the agenda like this format. Now we will see how to make the invitation with MS Word. So again, take new one, new document, click on blank document, click on create. Now I want this one landscape. I want the page landscape page I want. So click on orientation, click on landscape. Okay, if you want to change the size of paper, you can change with this because sometime we want A4 paper, we want print on A3 paper, we want print on A letter type of paper, so you can set the size of paper from here. Many time what happen, we want the text in two column as it display in the newspaper. If you see the newspaper, the text are divided into columns. So if you want to make the document like that, so you can choose the column. You can set the 2 or 3 column with this option. Now I want to make the invitation of an program. So So to make the invitation of an program, select the page layout. Okay, now I want the beautiful background image. So click on watermark. Even you can set the watermark like this. You can give the school name. Even you can set the logo as an watermark to your document. But I want the image as an watermark. So click on custom watermark. Select picture watermark. Select picture. Select any background that you want. As watermark, custom watermark. Select picture. Select the picture. Click on insert. Click on apply. Done. Close. See, a background picture get applied to my page. Now start typing from here. Now I have the Women's Day program, so I will make the format of Women's Day. So see here, take center alignment. You are cordially invited on international. Now I want this international text big one, so select the font. Women's Day. Now I will change the font like this. Celebration. Okay, if you want to change the spacing between the lines, select the text, go to paragraph. Here is line spacing multiple. Select single one and change the spacing from here. See, International Women's Day celebration. 8 March. (2020). Again I will make it big one and I will change the font. Okay, and then generally we are writing venue and time. Venue and time. Okay, this much you understand. Now if you want any picture down, so again go down, take any picture that you want. To take the picture, click on insert, select picture, here is little space, so I will take it upside. Okay, see this. Okay, now this is an invitation of an program. You can give the border to this also. If you want colorful border, select it color. See, means in MS Word you can make the invitation, you can type the agenda, even you can type the notice. Generally we are using MS Word to type the question paper, set the question paper. So we can use this in many way. Again I will revise this. Home menu, the home menu, in home menu you can set the text as an bold, italic, underline. You can change the font size. Okay, you can align the text, left align, central align, right align. This is unjustified. And this one are the bullets. If you want to give the numbering, so just select here and give the numbering. If you want to give the bullets, select here and choose the bullets and give the bullets. Okay, then insert menu is used to insert the picture or shapes. Okay, here we inserted one picture. If you want to insert the shape, just click on the shape, select any shape that you want and insert that shape. Suppose I want the star like shapes, click on start and insert one star here. Even you can give the color to that star also. So these are the shapes. Then suppose if you want to insert any chart from Excel, so click on the chart. If you want to insert header and footer means for any book or any notebook contain any header where they write their publication name. In the footer space, in the footer area they are writing their page number. Even you can write the date also. So to insert header and footer for every page, you can choose this option. Then page layout menu is used to set the margin. It is used to set the themes means the ready-made color to your document. Then margin, you can set the margin. See, like this, so many options are given. Whatever option you like, you can choose. It is used to set the orientation, portrait page or landscape page. Even you can set the size of the paper. You can give border, you can give page color. Even you can set the watermark for any page. Okay, then reference, mailing and review are not using many times, means we are not using for it. But view menu is used to view the document. Means if you want to view the rural, just click on the rural means the scale. Okay. Then grid lines means the rectangular grid. Suppose if you want to see the 2 pages at a time, just click on 2 page. You can see the 2 pages at a time. Okay, you can zoom that page, big, small. Then you can see the print layout, how this page will look like when the printout will come. So this is all about the view menu. Okay, when everything will complete, just save this document. Again click on home button, click on save. Give the name to this document. and save this document. Okay, after everything will complete, just exit from here, exit Word. They are asking you want to save, just click on the save or just cancel it and close everything. Okay, I will show you some examples. As I told, MS Word is used to make the agenda. Here is a sample of one agenda. This is an agenda of annual day. Here I use the table. See here how to take the table. Go to insert, just click on table, select how many rows and how many columns you want, and that table get inserted. So this is about the agenda, how to create the agenda. Then next one, notice. See, MS Word is also used to type the notice. Here is one example of notice, a trip to Red Fort. So by taking border and setting the font, you can type the notice with the help of MS Word. Then next one, paper. You can set the paper in MS Word. Just put up the logo of school, even write the name of school and type the question. And at last we saw the invitation. You can make any invitation in MS Word. So in this way we can use the MS Word for various purpose.